Hi, bestie. Besties. I'm ready to play some more. Also, Jay, what are you having for dinner? What's for dinner? What are we eating? Granted, I'm having my brunch. My brunch meal of a bagel. Continue my game. Please. I'm having some veggies. Mini roasted potatoes are so good. And some pork. Ooh, that's yummy. Share some. Split the meal. Send it over to me. Pigeon mail. I'll put it in my fridge for later. I can barely eat an entire bagel, so I will save it for later.
Is it far?
Not very. Just through this port town.
Trying to be healthier? Period. Me too. I haven't had a bagel like in a hot minute. But there was nothing else for breakfast.
What if Shoreline set up an ambush by the plane?
They didn't.
I'll send it
makes
with
you so
dry
sure?
ice.
Because they're
Not the
heading
dry
to
ice.
the mountain.
Does that
For the
actually
treasure.
help? Keep like meals fresh. Dry ice. I haven't played this game in a hot minute. Everything looks so weird. Excuse me while I look around. Treasure! I've never used it, but I've heard it actually effective. Wow! That's interesting. I just know that if you touch dry ice with your bare hands, you will burn yourself. Ice burn. If that makes sense.
This way.
Fake wall. I'm coming, Sully. I'm coming.
There she is.
Where? Oh. Fancy, fancy boat. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see. Let me see. Where? Oh. Plane. Let's go. All right, big bro. You better not F this up for
It's a
all of
long
us.
drop. How did you get here?
I hopped down a few of these walls, but I guess we'll have to find another way around.
Oh.
What the hell was that?
That came from the mountain.
Avery's traps.
Yeah, that means they're blowing themselves up.
No, it means they're on the right path.
Hey, come on.
Please.
Let's
don't.
just stay focused, huh?
He's so...
I jumped down from up there, but it's too high to get back up.
Yeah,
me
maybe
give you a
there's something
boost.
we can put under it?
This thing. Can I move this thing? Can I move it from this side? Push! I can. Okay. Hello? Hello? Friends? Help! Help!
Give me a
This
hand,
is so
Sam.
heavy.
All right?
This is so heavy. I'm just one man. Why is he not helping? Help! Finally. Making some progress.
Hey, you need a hand?
Hey, no thanks. We got it.
There we go. Imagine it just rolled back. That'd be messed up. Go! Okay. Nate, can you please? My brother, you better get up here. I swear to God. What's this? I feel an ambush is going
Anyone
to
see a way
happen.
out?
Up here, up here. Ooh. Oh, I see. Other way, Nate. There you go.
Hey, guys, through here.
Ooh, almost busted my ankle. Ah! Almost crushed my skull. Thank you.
Whoa, check that thing out.
It's like a sky rail or
Whoa.
something.
Think it still works?
I don't know, I'm on it though. How can we check? Is there a button? Is there a button I can press? A lever? Something? Oh.
There's no controls, but I bet I could pull the platform with my rope.
Are you suggesting I just jump? Okay. Oh. Whee! Tarzan. Ouch.
Maybe if you could get to that wooden platform down there.
Maybe. My wife. This does not seem to be working. Whee! Okay. Let's bring this down. I don't know if we have enough jumping pressure for this. This makes me nervous. Oh my god. I'd be so scared. If this were me, I'd be so scared. Ouch. Hold up, I'm gonna be back. My dinner should almost be done. Alright, Jay, stay safe. Hope your dinner is yummy.
Well, we're getting there.
I can't wait to sleep in my own bed again.
So close, yet so far.
What? Why did he make that sound? What is that supposed to mean?
I got an idea. Nathan, give me a hand.
What?
Okay.
Thank God he had an idea. Nothing in my brain. What's this gonna do?
Okay, Victor, can I borrow you for a sec?
Sure.
All right, go ahead, Nathan. There,
Huh?
we'll hold it down. You jump across.
Are you
Not gonna drop me, are you?
Tempting, but no.
tempting?
Maybe.
But no. Ah! Jesus Christ.
Made it!
Here we come.
Got it. All right, hop on. I'll pull you across.
Okay, we're ready.
I'm pulling. I'm pulling.
Well, this is some impressive engineering for a bunch of pirates.
Whoa!
Hang on!
You guys all right?
Yeah. It's like a roller coaster.
Come on up, Nathan.
Okay.
All right, Nathan, you climb on up. I'll grab you.
Oh my goodness, my grandma's calling me. Gosh. Oh my god.
Go! Jump off, quick!
Jump off quick! I can't jump off quick. Oh. Oh my god, Sam. Oh my god.
Sam! Sam, come on!
Sam.
Come on, just jump. I'll catch you. Let's go.
No. Please.
No, don't you even think about it. You hear me?
I'm sorry I got you into this. All of you.
Sam.
Hey, all that doesn't matter anymore, okay? Just jump.
I gotta see this thing through, Nathan.
Sam, hey, listen to me. If you do this, I'm not coming after you. You hear me?
Sam, please. Sam, please.
Sorry.
Sam! Sam!
You called your bluff?
He's gonna get himself killed.
He is.
Come on.
He certainly is.
She's probably right.
Of course she is.
Probably. She's definitely right. Oh man. I just wanted to go home.
Up here. Maybe we can head him off.
I'm gonna save him, and then I'm gonna punch him.
All right, let's just worry about the saving part first.
What the hell is he thinking? I mean, after everything that we... Wasn't this enough?
Apparently not for
Let's
him.
just find him.
My brother needed more. What are we looking for? What's this?
Hey, we can get over that wall with this.
Oh, we're trying to get over the wall.
Come on!
Nobody's gonna help me?
Here, we got you.
You ready?
I'm pushing. Push together. We got 3 people. Come on. How heavy this is.
Got it.
Okay, period. I'm like, put up the brake. Put up the brake.
See?
Oh my god.
This isn't gonna hold.
Tank, go.
What?
I got it.
Let's go, Nate. Let's go. We gotta save our stupid big brother. Damn. Shit.
God damn it. Now how the hell are we supposed to get up there?
I don't
We
know.
don't have enough time.
You're saying I should
Nate?
go on my own?
No, not by yourself.
I got
I'll
it.
come right back, okay?
Look, he is not gonna leave without a fight.
Yeah, well, then I'll
I
fight him
know.
if I have to. But either way, I'm bringing
Why
him
don't I
back.
have to?
Just get the plane as close to the mountain as you can. And be
Please.
ready for a quick getaway.
Like there's another kind.
It's not fair.
I know.
Doing the dishes, we take turns.
Oh.
Don't even think about not coming back.
Hi, Bo.
I love
I'm
you.
eating my bagel. We gotta go save our stupid brother.
Same to you, cowboy.
Stupid Sam. And his dumb ideas of pirates and treasure. Brothers. Keeper. Yep. I feel that. Felt that one, Vol. Hashtag relatable. You talking about food in your mouth? Yeah, I am. I'm hungry.
Okay.
It's my brekkie. Yeah, okay. What, Nate? Oh. Very unladylike. How dare you? It is very ladylike. I support it. It is very ladylike, okay. What's that?
Hey, what's that? Footprints.
Whose?
Sam!
Sit.
God damn it. I'm sure he's a ways off by now.
I hate him. I hate him. I hate my brother. Also, how are you, Bull? How's your day been? How's your Wednesday? Eek! Oh God, scary.
Just gonna
Or
head
is
to the
it
creepy mountain. Save Sam.
Unladylike, and you're just
Get the hell
very
outta here.
ladylike to compensate.
Be laughing about the whole thing tomorrow.
I wonder if I'm ladylike. At least in the presence of others. On my own, probably not. I feel like I need the eyes of others. It's alright, I've applied to 2 jobs and I'm looking at another. Ooh. Hope you hear back from one.
Here we
This.
go. Back on the trail.
I too have been applying to jobs.
Footprints end here. Come on, which way did he go?
Oh, there. Alright, applying to jobs is hard. Applying to jobs is so much work. What kind of jobs are you applying to? I'm gonna keep that a secret. There's a secret for me, myself, and I. Applying to many jobs. Not just one specific field. But in the same-ish area. Secret tunnels! Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel of fucking jobs. I'm like, at this point, I might as well even apply to internships.
More footprints. Well, you
They
didn't fall
better
to
be
your
paying.
death, so that's
Granted.
good.
Oh,
Still get
oh
a
my
chance to
God.
kill you.
Oh, Nate. You may be applying to secret service jobs. Obviously, I'm working for the CIA. The FBI said I wasn't qualified enough. Bleep. Ouch. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ is right. Oh my God. I got so scared. I thought he actually was gonna fall this time. Okay, Nate. Make your way around. It's very awfully large cliff. Can we jump? Can you jump that? Get, oh, no. Nope. Get back up there. Get back up there, sir. Okay, get back down. Try and reach. Try and reach. Oof. Okay. I got it. More footprints?
What's this?
Camp. Set up camp here. Okay. Ooh, what's this? A letter? A letter?
Oh, it's Burns' grandson.
Huh? Let me read it. Let me read it. April 14th, 1808. Although I successfully extracted Hayes' bullet from my thigh, the wound festers and the fever has not abated. I long to see what lies inside the mountain, but the pain is too great to bear, and I must rest, regain my strength. With a moment's respite, doubt creeps into my mind. Was I wrong to punish the men for breaking their contract with me? I have dedicated my life to finding this place, finding Avery's treasure, and their actions nearly robbed me of my destiny. No, my actions were just. Tonight I rest, the fever will break, and tomorrow I finish my grandfather's journey. Then upon returning home, I shall write of my exploits here, a book by Jonathan Burns, to sit in the libraries alongside history's greatest adventurers. At worst, I shall lose this leg, but in the end, I will have lived a life worth living, and Claire would be proud of me at long last. Claire, forgive me. Oh, damn. He died here. Yo, Sam, I'm getting to the point of actually applying to intern jobs, despite being away from school for a few years. Like, it is so hard. Honestly, if they don't require you being an undergrad or a grad student for an internship, and they pay decently, I apply for it. I'm just like, sure, why not? Fuck it. Did y'all see that PlayStation State of Play? Because me neither. No, I did not.
Close, but no
PlayStation
cigar,
is still
pal.
doing things.
Almost at the
Please.
finish line. Got the best of you.
I had no idea that was happening, Thick. Also, hi, Bestie. How are you? How's your Wednesday? Sorry, I need to climb up a little. Like, where are we supposed to work? Literally. But at least with an
More
internship,
footprints.
you're maybe guaranteed a full-time job. At that same place, if you feel like working there. It's so
Well,
dark!
In we go.
Into the thick of it. Into the
Hey,
thick
Sam?
of it. Oof. No response. I'm alright, just a bit bored. That's valid. It is Wednesday. It is a Wednesday. Ah! Jump anyways! Jump anyways! Jump anyways! Jump! Jump! Just get up there! Oh my god, Nate. Fun fact, Family Guy first aired 25 years ago today. That's crazy. That is crazy. Shut up, Thick! It be true, right after the Super Bowl 1999. Happy 25th anniversary to Super Bowl 33. 33? There have been 33 Super Bowls? I've never watched a single Super Bowl. Granted, I'm not into sports.
Oh, there you are.
What is it? Footprints!
Okay,
Oh, damn. Okay.
here we go.
Whoa! Can't believe I've been hit. I heard the squeakies.
Sam!
Oh, Sam! Ouch. Oh, my God. I think I heard something hard
Oh,
fall on my head. Ouch. Jesus. Oh my god. What fell on me now?
Phew.
I'm surprised he has so much upper body strength with everything that just happened there. It's okay.
Jesus. I swear, Sam, if Rafe and Nadine don't kill you,
I
just
will.
might.
Violence in the face of the inevitable march of time. Please. I think I have enough with time slapping me in the face. how fast it's going. Damn it. Get back up there, Nate. Apparently I can't just jump down there. Where can I jump to? Oh, over there. Whee! Ouch. My ankle! My leg! Treasure? Treasure! Nice. I wish something else would slap me in the face. Like a bag of money. Me every day. Me every day. I feel that, Vol. I feel that. In this economy. Where do I go from here? Where do we go from here? Do I jump? Should I jump? Oh, I should jump. God damn.
Oh god, this is so much harder than it looks.
He's crying, suffering. Because of me. Well, shit. Reach for the stars. How do those look like lava? Finally. Okay, where am I supposed to go from here? Oh, I see. Oh, man. Sugar mommy.
I can make it.
Can we? Are we sure? I don't know if I can make this. This seems quite dangerous, Nate.
I can do it. Oh shit! Oh,
Ah.
oh crap! Oh!
Oh my god. Jesus. Jesus Christ. I got it. Okay. We got it.
I made it. I don't know how I made it. But I made it.
I don't know how I made it. Because of me. Because of me, Nate. I didn't let you die this time. Not that I do it on purpose. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here goes nothing. Ooh, a pirate
Oh my
ship.
god, that's Avery's ship.
Here, to swing a little bit more. Oh, I could have just landed there, but it's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Scary. God. Golly. Okay, again. Now, there you go. Stability. Oh, man. I don't know how Nate's not nervous about any of this, ever. Like, all of it makes me nervous. Maybe you can jump from here. Nate, are you telling me you have to... Oh. Gosh. Come on, you can reach it. You can reach it. There you go. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. I thought I had to stab the wall again. Wait, can you get up there? Oh, thank God. Thank God, Nate. Reach! Reach for the stars! I wonder if
All right.
our big bubber is out here. Big bubber!
Oh
shit!
That was too close.
Make me nervous, make me nervous. Big bubber Sam!
I guess this is my way down.
God damn it. Whee!
Oh God, come on!
Oh my God. Oh no! He hit his head. He hit his head on the rocks. He got
I guess
concussed.
this is my way down.
Can't believe it.
Oh God,
Just missed the rocks. Missed the rocks. Nate! I tried to reach for the slide. I tried to reach it.
This is my way down.
Couldn't jump high enough, he got stuck. It's too funny.
God, come on!
Oh my god. Jesus. I tried to not hit the water. You good, Nate?
Did you really do all that, Sam?
I don't think so.
I doubt it. You probably found the dry way down. It's painful. Way down.
Honestly, yeah. We're just so lucky, Nate. I swear. We're just some lucky gals. Lucky, lucky gals in the world. Ooh, pretty water. Swim! Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Treasure? No treasure. Can I climb up this? I don't know if I can go up here. Right? Please? Yes. Thank you. Finally safe on land. Treasure! Mystery box. Mystery box led me to nowhere. You're saying gotta swim? Sink or swim? Maybe not. Or maybe yes? Probably. Oh god. I don't like this. Hello? Are we under the ship? Let me in!
We almost done here?
This is the last of them, ma'am.
Good. If we are, we can catch up with the others.
Is that so? Oh, it is. It's
Sam just stole our goddamn boat. He's headed for Avery's ship. Come on.
Let him. We're done.
Damn.
We're done.
Most
Yeah.
of my men are dead, Rafe. And those who aren't have already left.
Oh,
Can you see that? The end is literally in sight.
That
What are you talking
maniac
about?
pirate of yours has rigged this entire cave. I'm not setting foot on his ship.
Nadine, if you cut and run right now, the loss of all your men, everything that we've done, is for nothing.
We have millions in gold right here. I'd say
Yeah.
that plus our lives is something.
No
period.
wonder so many of your men abandoned.
Period, Nadine. What?
Excuse me?
We're on the verge of making history here, and you're willing to just walk off with a pittance, a fraction of what Sam's gonna get from that boat.
Yeah.
If he can
Thanks.
walk away from that ship alive, he can have it. Hell, I'd say he's earned it.
Look at this thing is. Hi, Alpha.
God knows you didn't.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Now look,
Oh my god.
we can stand here and insult each other all day, or we can finish what it is that
I
we
was gonna say, thanks for the
finishing
19
it all
months. So much is happening right now. Excuse me. Damn. They say he's our paycheck, so. Shit.
Thing about mercenaries, Nadine, their loyalty, it's bought.
Yikes.
It's not earned.
Thank you.
come on.
Thanks a lot.
Either we can finish this thing together,
Also, how are you, Alpha? How's your
or we
Wednesday
can just
been?
end it right here.
I'll be like, fine. Fuck it, I guess.
Let's go make history.
Not a girl.
I throw him into one of the traps.
By all means.
By all means. Me as Nadine, I'd be like, I fucking hate my life right now. I cannot fucking believe this shit. Oh, we're under a ship, but not the ship. Where do I go from here? Just kidding. I know where. Kind of. Nobody's around, right? I'm alone.
Let's see what you have in store for us, Captain Avery.
A thief's end. Oh, is this? That's the title. Is this the end? Have we finally reached the final chapter? Will I finally be able to go home? Do I have to swim all the way over there? God damn it. I hate it here. Me and my legs are tired. Again. Oh my god.
Shit! Sam!
Well, there's an opening. Sam! Big Boomer! You stupid idiot. Oh, fucking god. You make it out alive on this ship?
Shoreline.
Oh, thank god. Whew. Not Sam. Can I take his gun? Does he have a weapon? Does his weapon go flying? How do I stay hidden? Like, not trying to catch anybody's attention out here.
Whoa! Crap! Sam!
Sam! Sam! Should I jump down there? I don't know if I should jump down there. Is it safe? Is it safe? Somebody mind telling me if it's safe down there? Okay, I guess I'm jumping. Blind faith.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Damn.
There's your treasure.
It's a lot. Tis a lot.
Damn. Is it worth it?
I don't think so. Sham! My goodness, my grandma was calling me again. Ugh. Let me answer. Let me answer. I'll BRB. BRB real quick. Oh my god. Alright. Back to standing on business. Back to standing on business. Where is Sam? This is who we're looking for right now. This man have not shown up. Oh god, it's worse.
Sam?
Hello?
Sam!
Bubber? Is that him? Is that my bubber?
Hey, Nate.
Get that shit. Oh my god, it's Rafe.
Oh,
Jesus.
he's right there.
Sam! Oh, my
Sam?
stupid rubber.
Relax, he's
Get
alive.
that shit, you may have trying to rob.
This idiot nearly got us all killed.
I'm getting him out of here.
No, you're
What?
not.
Are
But if
you?
you can have the treasure, all right? Just let me save my brother.
After everything he's done?
Yes.
How noble of you. But no,
We stay here any longer and we're all dead. Is that what you want?
it's not what I said. What do you think, Nadine? Good to see you up and about.
I'm
See,
really
dear, and
Nadine.
relieve
Are you
Nate there of
serious?
his gun.
Hand it over.
You really think you can trust him?
Not your concern.
Now, why are you trying to instigate? Nate?
Hello.
Nadine and I are
'Cause I need her.
partners. I don't screw over my partners. Get over there.
You don't screw over your
You and
partners?
your brother
You sure
don't.
about that?
Right from the start, you took advantage of my generosity.
What are you
tried
talking
to
about?
cut me out, and it's high time you learn.
Period.
What are you doing?
What are you
Now
doing?
you give me your gun.
Nadine?
I won't ask you again.
Just shoot his fucking arm, please. Please.
You are being profoundly stupid right now.
Look over there.
Nadine, stop screwing around.
Why don't you shoot his legs?
I said look.
Okay, it's a couple of skeletons. So what?
That's your
I don't know as
future.
much about history as you boys, but I've got a pretty good idea who those two are.
Well, enlighten us.
It's Avery and two.
Period.
They
Dad
killed
right
each
here.
other.
Good for them. What's the point?
Hello.
Everyone obsessed with this treasure.
Fuck
It's
yeah,
what they deserve.
Nadine.
So what, you're just leaving us here to die?
What? Me?
Oh, I'm just leaving. Whether you die or not, I don't really care.
Nadine?
Girl, at least shoot
Wait.
this man.
So long, Rafe.
Nadine! Nadine!
Oh my god.
You open this goddamn door right now!
Why'd she leave me in here with him?
Rafe, she's gone! Come on, give me a hand, we'll all get out of here.
No, that won't work.
Come
What do
on,
you
help me with
mean?
Sam and I'll help you open the door.
No, I'm not going to be able to enjoy one of these coins, knowing that you and your worthless brother are still sucking air.
Are you kidding me? Right now? Are you serious?
Hey, just calm down. You can
not
practice
ready
your
to fight,
fencing
though.
when we get outside.
Nate, just shut up.
Oh my god. I got no gun.
Seriously, Rafe, this is insane, even for you.
You want to hear insane? Nathan Drake raced a madman and his entire army to the steps
Why
of
are we-
Shambhala.
Jesus!
Nathan Drake found the lost city in the middle of
This
the
is
Rue
what-
Valkyrie desert.
Are you serious?
Damn it. Come on, we can get out of here together.
Nathan Drake discovered the fabled El Dorado.
Jesus, ow! Can I grab a weapon? Please? Please? Ouch.
Jesus.
Nathan Drake is a legend.
You keep reminding me of my buttons. I
You
don't
know,
know which way is left and which way it's right.
who told me that.
Look, I get it. You don't like me very much.
You know, for all your greatness, Nate, you have nothing. You are nothing.
You can catch us.
And I warned you to get out of my way.
Marion, get him! Get him, Nate! Get him!
I have sacrificed everything to find Avery, and I'm not gonna let a couple
You?
of two-bit thieves, a senile
Oh,
con man,
my
and a
God.
washed-up journalist take that away from me.
Take it! Marion! Finally. Finally, I have a weapon.
About that parade of losers so much, I'm going to make sure they join you.
On guard, dickhead.
On guard.
You know how to sword fight?
Yeah.
No. No, I
Stick you
don't.
with the sharp end, right?
Oh, this should be fun.
Get him! Get him! Oh my god. Nate, you gotta live. Ouch. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fuck you and your mom. And all your fucking money. Throw it back, Nate. Throw it back. Get him! Get him! Get him!
Come on, Nate.
Ouch.
Ah,
Fuck.
sword's
Ouch.
still sharp.
Ouch. Ouch. Damn it. I keep on missing him. Ah.
You make it too easy.
Here I I do. I do make it too easy. Ouch.
Did that hurt?
It did. Ouch. That hurt. That hurt. Let me heal a little. Let me heal a little.
Shit.
Ouch.
Dodge, parry. Come on.
Gosh. Can he please? Can he please?
Still.
Ouch.
Damn it, so slow.
So slow. Wow. Nice back talk, my guy.
Hello, cut there, Nate.
Ouch. Not a little. It's a big cut. It's a big cut. Oh my god, throw my fist. Sword fight.
This might hurt a little.
A little. Stop getting sliced. It's not my fault. Okay, it is my
Come
fault.
on, legend.
Ouch. Ouch. God damn it. I got
A little
sliced.
disappointed, Nate.
You may throw it back. Please. You make quite the large carrot with all that gold. Ouch. Quit it, quit it, quit it, quit it. I don't know my left and my right. I don't know my left and my right, okay? Stop trying to stop me.
Come on!
Come on, Nate.
Ouch. 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 Ah, I can't
Maybe
see.
next time, Nate.
Maybe next time. Oh my god. Don't worry, I think my posture's already nice.
Everybody wants
Something they'll never give up. Ouch. Quit trying to hit me. Jesus.
I guess you couldn't talk your way out of this.
You know, at least we get all the dialogue for the for these cutscenes. But man, this man's moving way too fast. I'm just trying to learn my left and my rights right now, please.
Come on, Nate.
He said, "Oh my god, oh my god." Then there's my brother.
Come on!
Ouch. Ouch. Just let me go. Let me heal. Let me heal a little.
Yeah!
God damn it. Ouch. Ouch. Quit it. I can't move.
Adios, amigo.
Not the adios, amigo. That's a new one. That is a new one. I was so close.
Come on, Nate.
Let go of me.
Come on!
Ouch. Ouch. Let me breathe, please. Let me breathe. On guard, on guard. Jesus. Let me breathe, please. Just a second, just a second.
Come on!
What do you mean, come on? Oh my god.
Now that's the Nathan Drake I hear so much about. All right, all right.
We're done here. I'm taking
No,
my
we're
brother and
not.
leaving.
Kill him. You gotta
I'm staying
kill
burn
him.
with the ship. You be my guest.
You got me.
After all that work.
You know what, Nate? Underneath all the bravado, you're just a sad little boy with
Orphan.
delusions
Orphan boy.
of grandeur.
That
Who,
little
by the
orphan
way,
boy.
can't fence for shit.
Get it right.
So long, Nathan Drake.
Nathan!
Ow! Ow!
Don't know when to give up. That's good. Don't hand it to me. I've had everything handed to me on a goddamn silver platter.
I don't trust one boy.
I earned this. All of it.
Really?
You want the treasure, Rafe? It's all yours.
Damn.
Holy
He got
shit.
smashed. And not in the way he wanted.
Hey, come on, let's get you
I
out
got
of
you,
here.
brother. I got you. Get fucked, bitch. It's gonna be like, leave me
It's
here.
no
now.
use.
Try again!
It's no use.
Come on! Nathan! Damn it!
Listen to me. Listen to me.
No!
All I ever wanted to do was find this treasure with you. We did it. We did it, brother, okay? It's all right. There's gotta be another way. Nathan, you gotta go. There's gotta be some.
Gotta go! This Thompson! There is no other way! Come on, Nathan, I gotta know you made it out all right. No. Nathan, the whole place is about to blow up!
No, I'm not leaving my brother.
That's it!
What the hell you doing?
It's stressful. God damn it! Let's get your head down!
Not with the water.
Do it now. Come on.
Breathe. Oh my god. Let's go, let's go.
You were one crazy son of a bitch. She's on the Come on.
God, I gotta take a bite out of my bagel.
That's our way out, Nathan! Come on! Keep going!
Oh my god.
I'm with you!
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Crap!
Oh my god. Oh my god. The entire fucking cave is collapsing. Do we make it? Is my wife out there? Is Sully out there? My king?
Holy shit.
She's like, oh my god. Please. We got it.
Nate! Hey! Come on, I got you. Are you okay?
Yeah, almost died, but you know, the usual.
Hey, Sully,
Thank
I got
God.
him.
Where are you?
We're right here.
I love it. I love to see it. Is it finally over? Look at them. Look at us. Made it home. Finally. Finally.
So, you got everything?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, feel free to sell anything I left behind.
Sure I can't give you a lift home.
After the last few days, I think I'd like a plane with drink service and reclining seats. Plus, she and I have a lot to talk about.
That's
Yeah,
true.
you do. And no more late-night phone calls about one last time.
No.
Promise. Thanks, Sully.
Pinky swear.
Take care, kid. Don't be a stranger.
Next time you're in town, beers are on me.
I'll hold you to that.
Love you, Grandpa.
And then the bunny escapes anyway, and it leaves little bunny surprises all over the headmaster's bed.
Hey, what are you telling her?
Just about your little magic phase.
Not the magic phase.
What was your stage name?
Go on, tell her.
Nate the Great.
Wow.
It's not funny. It makes sense.
In his defense, he was
classic.
actually, you were pretty good.
Uh-huh.
Hey, look, Sam, it has been an experience getting to meet you.
With the handshake,
Well,
bring it in for the real thing, sister.
Oh.
You take care of this numbskull, all right?
yeah, I will.
I'll join you in a sec.
Yeah.
What's Sam gonna do?
I like her. God help her, she sure seems to love you.
I know, right? Listen, the offer still stands.
I appreciate it, but I'm good.
I know, but if you feel like you're imposing, you're not. We
It's not
talked about
that,
it.
It's not about that. It's a little bit of that, okay?
Yeah.
Please. You gonna live on the
kind of-
streets?
Thought that after we found Avery's treasure, I'd be satisfied. Instead, I've kind of left with this strange feeling of
Emptiness.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, you know, as thrilling as the next adventure might be, in the end, I always left with that same feeling.
Damn.
And sometimes you just gotta choose what you're going to keep and what you're gonna let go.
Well, I guess I'm just not there yet. And besides, you know, you got a few ancient cities on me. I can't let that slide. So.
I left a couple out there.
Well, thank you.
Oh,
Beep, beep.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Sam, you've come far.
We sure have, little brother. Come here.
Listen, you don't do anything I wouldn't do, all right?
Get out of here, vamos.
Vamos. Vamos. Sam, what are you gonna do?
Good light?
So, Victor, what's next for you? Hmm?
It's like just my,
Well,
you know.
before I got dragged into this, I was working on a business deal of sorts.
Of sorts.
What's that mean?
Dangerous?
With these people, yeah. It's up there.
Well, I just so happen to know a certain someone recently out of prison who might be perfect for this kind of work.
Ooh, I don't know. Is he trustworthy?
Is he?
More or less.
How's his Portuguese?
Quando seu marido voltar para casa?
What's that mean?
How long before your husband gets home?
That'll do. Come on.
Perfectly
any more of those
good
cigars?
Portuguese. No.
Wish you luck.
What's that? Oh, he's back at his office job. Period. Nice and calm.
Hey, good morning.
Indeed it is. Indeed it is.
What does that mean?
Ah. All right, I'll bite. What's going on? Land a big contract or something?
Oh, even better. I'm on the verge of selling Jameson Marine.
Oh.
No kidding?
Yeah.
Wow,
I'd be like, what happens to me?
I guess congratulations are in order, huh?
Well, not yet, but I'm confident it'll go through. They drove a hard bargain, but in the end, I think we came to a mutually beneficial agreement.
Mm-hmm.
That's great. Are you gonna stay on?
No. I think I'd like to just relax, hang with the family,
Retirement.
fishing every chance I get.
Good for you. So who's the sap who's gonna buy this place?
He's like,
Oh,
your
you
brother.
are.
What?
What? No, come on, seriously.
Oh, yeah, seriously.
Wait, Jameson. Hey, wait up, man.
What does that mean?
Hey. Morning, guys.
What are you doing here?
Just thought I'd take, one final look.
Already gave your husband the keys.
Okay.
What does this mean?
Is this for real?
Nate, all you need to know is that you'd be making a very wise investment. Do the right thing here.
What does this mean?
Call me when you're through.
You got it.
I'd be so confused.
Hi.
Hi. You're buying Jameson Marine?
We are buying Jameson Marine.
Oh.
You're like, what
Okay.
for?
How? Why?
Yeah.
Well, heard this rumor about a salvage job off the coast of Malaysia, and I thought it'd be right up our alley.
No. Honey, look. We barely got out of Libertalia alive.
Yeah.
Hey, taking an illegal job? You know what that leads to.
Who said it was illegal?
Oh,
Look,
fully legal.
this came in this morning.
Is this legit?
Yeah. Some of my old contacts out there, they worked their magic with the Malaysian permit office. It was great. I didn't even have to bribe anyone.
Oh my god, period.
Well, that's good because I don't know how we could possibly even afford to do this.
Here. Hold out your hand.
What?
Hold out your hand. Come on.
Holy crap. Where did you get this?
It was in my jacket pocket,
What?
along with a bunch more.
A bunch? Sam.
He's a sneaky one.
He's like, here, take the money.
Of course, most of them are going to have to go into our venture here, along with all the new camera gear.
Ooh.
Camera gear?
Yeah. I figured as we're pulling all the cargo up from the dive, we could hire, a small crew. We could film the whole thing and resurrect my old show.
Oh my god, what a life.
What happened to just
They're gonna make a YouTube channel.
living a normal life?
I think in our attempt to lead a normal life, we may have
Whoa.
oversteered.
I'm crying. The game was like, hold on. FPS
When I was
gotta
on that island,
take her time.
I missed the adventure. I missed us. And so now we have a chance
Not
to
the
do
Crash
what we love.
Bandicoot. Thought the Crash Bandicoot was pretty good.
But from here on out, we are going to operate on a strictly legal
Nathan
basis,
Drake
all right?
does
And
sound
I
like an
will be doing
influencer
all
name.
of the shooting with my really expensive camera.
Channel name, The Drakes.
You've really thought all this through, haven't you?
More or less. But listen, just say the word and I will call the whole thing off.
I'd be like, absolutely not.
What? Oh, no.
I'm
I
down.
don't want to be that guy who ruins Jameson's early retirement like that. That'd be cruel.
Right.
Cruel and unusual, you know?
It's not gonna be easy,
Nothing worthwhile is. So, what do you say, Nathan Drake?
Sure, why not?
Sure.
Yeah, as long as I don't have to do any paperwork.
Period. No
I
paperwork
can't do
needed.
it. I'm gonna have my hands full with the camera.
Well, I'm gonna have my hands full with all the diving.
Okay. Fine. We'll take turns.
Yeah.
Wait, what are you gonna play after this? I was,
I could play for it.
you know, I was planning on
No,
playing
listen,
Tomb Raider,
just saying,
trying to
I'm
figure
getting
out how
better.
to
My
set that
handwriting
up.
is way
I
better than it used to be.
You're
Really?
I cannot do that to you.
But I
again.
can't
Are
do
you
that
afraid
on
to play?
stream.
I am so not
On a
afraid to
scale
play
of
you.
1 to 10, how scared?
I
are you?
didn't know we
Like
were
a
this
3.
close
Yeah,
to ending
well,
it.
jack that up to like 11. All right, because I'm coming for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Not the chicken sounds.
Okay. Fine. You're on.
Crash Bandicoot, let's go! Crash Bandicoot, Crash Bandicoot. Let me grab these apples. Aki wasn't here to warn you. Literally, where's Akio? This is honestly what I'm here for. I could play hours of Crash Bandicoot. How do I jump? Okay. Oh no! Oh, okay, let me grab my stuff. Yeah! My god, I love this game. Whee! Ah! Almost got stuck, almost got stuck. Damn it, I missed that apple. Oh my god, how much farther am I gonna get in this game? God damn it. Period. Yeah, 2 extra lives. Oh, do you like that remastered collection they released a few years ago? Of Crash Bandicoot? I don't think I ever even saw it. Cause I would have bought it, to be honest. Excuse me, I'm just a boy. Ah! God damn it. Versus. I only have 3 apples. 3 apples to my name. Keep missing. God damn it. Hold on. Oh. I was more of a Spyro guy, so I got that one, but I got the Crash Bandicoot one too. Ooh. I should look into her. I didn't even know they made a remastered. I'm out of the loop. I feel like I only ever get my game news from Akio. Akio or any of my other besties who avidly play games. Oh my god, she's mine! Huh? Did I make it? I made it! Yes! It's been out for a little while, so you could probably get it cheap. Ooh. Oh, damn it. I didn't get the best score. Let me see the house. Ooh. It's so cute. Is that? Do they have a child? And a dog? And fish? Oh, look at the lucky cat. Girl, I don't know. Ooh. The epilogue. Ooh.
Old school.
Old school. God damn. On a PlayStation 1 too? That's crazy. Brings me back. Damn, Girly Pop got her own bathroom. That's actually crazy. His desk. What's that?
So good.
The Nameless City. Nice little comic book. Steel Girl. What does that say? Stop. I can't even read that. Those are words.
I really should clean this up.
Yeah, girl. Like, what's going on here?
Later.
But puppy.
Mom? Dad? Anyone? Yoo-hoo!
Is this a 1-story home? 2-story? Girl, the laundry is fucking right here. You could literally do your clothes so easily. Alright, we got a half bath in here. Open concept. Ooh, okay. What's in the fridge? Man, I wish my room was that big. No, literally, same.
Here we go.
I'm kidding, my room is that big. Just without a bathroom. You got a snack. Double sink? Period. Ooh, what a nice fucking gas stove. What's this? We're sitting in a
cool.
tiny cafe in the middle of a busy...
coming to visit.
middle of a busy Havana street, drinking what might be the best goddamn espresso I've had in my life. No job, no one's chasing us. Retirement is weird. Good, but weird. Look who showed up. Look who decided to show up. Hi, Akio. We're in the epilogue. Sam says, tell him to stock up the fridge with less shitty beer before he arrives. His words, not mine. Sam is also reminding me that you lost the bet to both of us, 12 months and counting with no smoking, and I'm in Cuba for God's sake. That's how good I've been. Anyway, send the girls our love. Tell Cassie to warm up the backgammon board. I want my rematch. I see you finished the game though. Decided to show up? Yeah, look who decided to show up. He was talking mad shit. Please, don't tell them. Looking forward to seeing the gang in a couple of weeks. Your pal, Victor. No. What a nice little fucking house. Oh, it's by the beach too. Okay, it's by the water. We're a waterfront home. Very boho chic style. Bohemian. Bohemian natural. Oh, what the fuck? Did she just fucking throw that apple? Girl, you didn't even finish it. Wow, damn. I clipped it. I'm crying. Clip me talking shit. Is this our parents' room?
I think they abandoned us.
What a fucking mess. I think they abandoned us. This is the...
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Aww. I want to look through. Aw, stop. So blurry.
Sorry, Sully.
I'm crying. Oh, the little puppy.
Wow, Sam looks so young.
What did you think of the game? Honestly, kind of crazy. What do you mean Sam looks kind of young? Sam looks old. Sam is an old man. Is that it? Those are all the photos? I enjoyed it, honestly. Was I dying towards the end? Yes. Yes, I was.
They better not give me grief about my room being messy.
Literally, what a fucking mess. Nah, why the house always a mess though? No, because like, why? At least pick up your shit. Like, why is it on the ground? At least I don't leave clothes on the ground. I just leave miscellaneous items that I don't feel like picking up because they fell. They're small enough that I could step over them. But clothes? Clothes are crazy. Interesting. Decor.
We should totally throw a party in here. They wouldn't even know.
Where's the puppy? Ooh. Okay, a family room. I'm gonna go shower, have a good stream. If I drown, don't drown. Take a quick shower.
Let's
Gotta see
what
the
you got.
rest.
Mom has weird taste in music, but I kind of like this one.
Again, very boho chic kind of vibe of a house. What's this?
Whoa, so cool. I need to ask Mom to borrow this one again.
Fujifilm? Kidding. But a film camera. Oh, Max would so love that. Alright, where'd our dog go? Puppy! Do we have like a back door of some kind? Or nor? Puppy! What's this? Oh, there he is. Oh, you hungry?
All right. But just this one.
Just the one snack. You're a big boy. Can I give him some pets? No. Can only have one snack. Can't have you weighing more than you already are. That'd be too much, man. Can I go outside? Ooh.
Hey! Off she goes.
Imagine if they lived on their own island. That'd be crazy. A nice hammock. Love this outdoor space. What's that?
Taj Mahal, here I come. Just a few more weeks.
Just say, see the world, help those in need. See the amazing sights of India on this month-long adventure. Immerse yourself in the culture as you explore ancient temples, barter in markets, and cap it off with a visit to the famous Taj Mahal. You will also spend a week at an orphanage in Dehradun, teaching English and playing games with the children. An exciting, rewarding, and unforgettable experience. Got your login thing, as you should, bestie.
Perfect day. Now all we need is the rest of our boat crew.
Yeah, where the heck are they? Ooh. Pretty. I wonder where they live. Where is this place? Where'd our dog go? Hello? Puppy. This is cute. Got our kayaks. Love a good kayak. Girl is out here barefoot. At least put on some sandals. This is our neighbor. Hey, neighbor. What if I went into their house? Hello? The door's open.
And not here either.
This is part of
Okay,
their
guess I'll
freaking
just
house
wait
too?
then.
What's this? Beach
Got
houses
the
seem
search
fun
area
until you remember
narrowed down
storms and
quite a
sea
bit.
levels, right? I don't know what any of this means. I'm like, a nice beachfront house. Gorgeous. As a vacation home. Ooh, what's
Whoa.
that?
Good job cleaning this up.
I'm like, when did they have a child? That's my question. What's
Oh,
this?
this was definitely my favorite dig.
They're so blurry. I can't see shit. What is that?
I remember that one.
3 kitties?
Oh, yeah, I was hanging out with Sully for this one.
It's like, girl, who even are you? What is your name? I hear a hair dryer in the living room. What do you mean a hair dryer? Oh,
So
you're drying their hair. Keys.
He left his keys. He left his keys.
What do you mean he left his keys?
There's no way. There's just no way.
Gonna look at the treasures. Ooh. All the little knickknacks I collected.
What is this?
Oh my god, I remember this. I picked this up. Oh my god, that was so long ago. That's crazy.
Kind
Half
of
of those objects are probably cursed.
Kind of cool.
Random skull. Why would you put it? Why would you put it there? He's gonna know you've been in here now. Is
A
this
Spanish doubloon. But from where?
The doubloon. Collect your doubloons. Is this my journal?
Hello.
Girl, you stupid way too confidently.
Wow.
Oh my god, it is.
Whoa.
I know this journal.
Henry Avery. The Gunsway heist. Wait, did you go looking for Avery's treasure?
Obviously, girly pop, and we found it. What's that? Can I?
No way. Is that Dad?
Stop! I know that picture. Oh wait, other way, other way. Mobby, mobby. Keep turning, keep turning.
Sig Parvis Magna. Greatness from small beginnings.
Oh, I can zoom in. Found this in an old camera.
Huh.
Thought you'd like
What's
to have
this?
it. Evelyn.
What the hell?
What the hell do you mean? What the hell?
Oh shit. Crap.
Hey, there you are.
Hey.
Been looking for you.
Where have you been, old
What are you
man?
doing in here?
Looking for you.
Looking for you guys.
Come on, we loaded up the boat. It's ready.
Cool. I'll catch up with you guys in a sec.
You're like, what?
Why?
I just
See,
need to,
girl, what is her name? Now you're rightfully calling Nathan
What's
old.
up, Cassie?
Look at him, he's got grays. He's an old man.
Okay.
Oh, so her name is Cassie.
Don't be mad.
I was looking at your journal. So, oh my god, I haven't seen that thing in forever.
Hey, I said don't be mad.
Keys.
Period. Fix my posture
So.
thick.
What did you see?
I know I'll be scrucky
Nothing
like a
really.
shrimp.
Well, just that photo of you two and Sully
TBT.
with a bunch of Spanish-looking treasure and a
She
shotgun.
knows. She knows.
This was bound to happen sometime. Maybe we should just tell her.
No,
not
don't
ready
tell her.
for
No, the mic
Ready for
controller.
what? All that crazy shit in there?
Language.
Yeah,
Language.
language.
Sorry. But you guys are literally keeping skeletons in your closet. Or at least a silver skull
Literally.
of some kind.
No, I don't think I'm ready for this. Really?
Nate, it's time to have the talk.
Not the talk.
Yeah, it's totally time.
How old is she?
Wait, which talk are we talking about here?
She's just a kid.
She's older than you and Sam when you started all of
That
this.
is different, and you know it.
Okay, look, if you guys were into some shady stuff, it's totally cool.
It's
But
totally
I think
cool.
I'm old enough to know about it, right?
Old enough.
Again, how
How
old
old are
is
you
she?
again?
Haha, funny.
It's a real question. Answer it.
Mom?
Please. Answer it.
All right.
Well, let's see.
The way she's blonde.
For
It's
me,
kinda
it
crazy.
started when this guy called me up with a scoop on a massive historical find. sounded like a complete fraud.
Yeah, handsome fraud.
No,
Handsome
I hadn't
fraud?
even met him yet.
She knew. She knew.
So this fraud says, if you fund the trip, then I'll give you the coffin of Sir Francis Drake.
And for the record, I totally delivered.
Period.
Yeah, you delivered us into the hands of Indonesian pirates.
No, come on. You know I had nothing to do with
Okay,
that.
guys, time out. You're saying that you were attacked by pirates
Yes.
after you found the coffin of Sir Francis Drake. Is that right?
Yes.
Pretty
Yeah,
sure that's
Pretty
that's
much
right.
it. Yeah.
Bullshit.
Language.
Language.
Crap.
Better.
All right, so keep
Bull
going.
crap.
You know what? The sun is up. Boat's ready. Wind is just right. You want to continue the story? I say we do it on the water. Come on.
Well, wait, what Francis Drake look like? Was it gross?
Actually,
Obviously,
he wasn't in
nothing.
Yeah, just his journal with a map to El Dorado.
Not El Dorado.
That's the legend. Turns out it was just a statue. A cursed statue.
No way, seriously?
Yeah, seriously. But I'll get back to that later. See, the map led us to the
This is a sweet ending. This is a nice way to end it. Oh, look at them. Me just gets the other games, playing this entire series backwards. Oh my god, now it's officially over. That was nice. I like that. I like a good epilogue. Wrapping up the story of their lives. Congrats! Yay to me! Finally! After almost half a year of playing this game. Because I took multiple breaks. We finally finished. Isn't that crazy? I watched this game with also zero context to the other games. I thought you actually knew the series, bro. Or do you just know this game that well? And went back to the others? Ah, okay. Okay. See, but at least you still know the others. Me right now, know nothing. I know none of the lore besides this game. Also had a really nice soundtrack. I won't lie. I'm like, should I play the other part of this collection? How do I skip the credits? Let me skip the credits. Skip the credits, please. Environment artist. Probably did so much. Bonus. What does that mean? Quit the main menu. Let's go. Yes, quit the main menu. Well, complete the game in moderate mode. The Lost Legacy. Yeah, let's go. The Lost Legacy. Now, if Naughty Dog could actually remember how to make a damn game instead of remaking stuff, maybe I'd finally get the Jack and Dex reboot. Ugh. If only. I loved that game. Back in the day, I used to play that game all the time. Jack and Dexter. Dexter, I type it twice. Dexter! I mean, isn't it said almost the same? Daxter. Jack and Dexter. Who are these people? Not my Windows Defender. Allow access. I don't know what I'm allowing access to, but hopefully it's the game. Hello? I've never seen the DLC on this, so you're going in blind. English, please. Let's my brightness. I want to see everything. Make it extremely bright. Thanks. Okay, good. Everything is still low. Continue. Ooh. The Lost Legacy. Looks so pretty. Story. New game. Let's go moderate. I'm still not good at this game. Lock on. Yes, please. Camera assist. Nah. Vehicle cameras. No. Alright, I'm nervous. Let's go. Going into this blind. We got a new medallion. Not that you can see it because my head is blocking it. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do 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 do. I don't think I've ever watched anybody play this one either. So I know nothing about it. She's taking a minute to load though. 20% there. 20% there. I guess while she's loading. Never mind, my mouse is not showing up. My mouse has abandoned me. I was like, let me change the game category. But, I guess not. I guess I'll just have to wait until she finally loads. I was like, oh my god, she's quickening up. Quicker! Quicker game, please! Quicker! You got it! You got it! You can load! You can do it! You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I feel like after this, we can go back and finish. What's it called? Life is Strange. Life is Strange Before the Storm. Haven't returned to my lesbians in a while. What other game? Other game have I left stranded? I've left a lot of games stranded, haven't I? I'll have to go back and see. Besides Life is Strange, I like switching it around every other week. So that we're not just playing the same games every single week. Except for The Walking Dead. Because The Walking Dead is crazy. The Walking Dead is wild. And I do enjoy her. I enjoy that story a lot. And plus it's like, what, 6 seasons? 5, 6 seasons? Plus with the many chapters that are already so long. Surprisingly though, season 2's episode 1 was pretty short. But I think the same thing happened with season 1's first episode. Even though a lot happened. Not to say season 2's episode 1 did not have a lot happen either. She was crazy. She was wild. Absolute bonkers. I'm still in shock. Come on, game. 60%. You got it. You got it. You're almost there. She's left me in silence. She's been silenced. Or is she silent? I don't know. But it seems that she doesn't want to load quick enough. I still have no idea why Windows Defender showed up. She's like, allow access me. Huh? Allow access to what? I don't know. I just said yes. Hopefully it was for the game. If it wasn't, well, I will have to deal with the consequences of my own actions. Consequences of my own actions, you know? It would just so happen to be that way. 66. 69%. Come on. 75. We're almost there. We're halfway up the hill. What? Interesting. Okay. It really skipped from 75 to 100%. Literally just went through. Suddenly we see Lara Croft. Who is this? Who are we? Who is she? Alright, Queen, I think those colors suit you. Have a price if you buy two. Wow, thank you. Welcome back, Akio. Oh. Right? Okay. Where's your papa? 800 rupees. We love a sale. Oh. Wow. Interesting. Period. I'd be like, where's your mama? Plus Ganesh. Hold on. Where are my subtitles? They're saying words, and I'm like, huh? What's happening? Where are my subtitles? Where are they off? You should be default on, please. What else we got? Okay, now there you go. Words. Oh, her name's Chloe. I don't know Chloe, but love her vibe. Hmm. Where are we? Was that? Oh. Photos have been saved to your phone. You can look at my phone? Ooh, I have a phone? Cool. Alright, girly pop. Come on. Need to go this way. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Yeah. Pickpocketer. Give it back. Treasure. Always happens when you're going through a crowd. Granted, I've never been pickpocketed because I never have anything in my pockets. My bags are always in view. Excuse me, excuse me. Don't worry, child. Don't worry. Pizza's on me. Oh, thank God. Oh, wow. Okay, bye, little girl. Thanks for helping me. I love how she's not noticed. Clearly her head sticking out in the back of that truck. Uncharted, The Lost Legacy. Ooh. Ah! I thought they were stabbing him. They're just beating him up. Ah, Jesus. Who's that? What is that? Red door. Not us saying the same thing. Chapter 1. The Insurgency. Period, Chloe. You got this. You got this, babes. You got this. I can finally hear my thoughts again. What do you mean? The hairdryer can't be that loud. Jeez. The hairdryer stopped. Please. Jesus. I'm not walking out there. Ah, not the buggy. Rogue monkey. Oh, God. I have to pass by those people again. Oh, man. Hate it here. Yeah. Excuse me. Ah, my God. Ugh. Yes, actually. Star signing. Goodness gracious. Gods. I hate it here. I hate it here. Honestly. Red door, red door. Where's my red door? Let me in, please. Oh, the red door. Now to just get over there. Hmm. A rat! My rat friend, teaching me the ways. Hair dryer was attached to the mouth of a frog. I'm crying. It echoed. It echoed. B to take cover. Oh man, am I gonna knock this man out? Grab him. Oh damn. Hold L to approach. Press A to vault. Hmm. Quietly, ma'am. Quietly. Break his neck. Period. Coffee, save me. Not your coffee. The rat. Oh my god. Jesus. Gods. You can pickpocket? I mean, not pickpocket, but pick the locks. Slowly rotate. You got it, babes. You got it. 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 Shit. Thank God. Oh my God. Whew. Sweating. Sweating. I'm in. Rooftop? Hmm. How the fuck do I get to the rooftop? The stairs are going down. These stairs are going down. The hell? Oh, I see them. This door open? No, it doesn't. Okay. It went in there. Luckily for me, I'm going to the rooftop. Oh, God. Trying to find the fucking stairs. Oh my God, Miss Girl. Nobody. I'm a nobody. That's who. Ow! Where'd the other man? Ouch! Ouch! I try to be stealthy. God. Good. Thank God. At least they didn't have any weapons on them, just fucking flashlights. Yeah, that's where I came from. There are my stairs. Jesus. Finally, on the roof. Jesus. Ouch. They sure aren't, girl. Where's man? Jesus, literally me. Jesus fucking Christ. This person said Red Lotus. Red Lotus. Could he be up there? Oh, Red Lotus. Okay. Shit is bright as fuck. My God. Ouch. My ankles. What? What do you want? Look at her bangs. She's so messed up from that fight. Shift changed. Forget the roof. Shit. Try me, bitch. Try me. Ouch. Let go of me, bitch. Ow. Hi, girl. They took out the first squad. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we fucking did. Thank God. That's Nadine? What's good? You free? That's Nadine. Oh my God, it is. But the period. I don't know who she is, but I love Chloe. She's a bad bitch. Yeah, what's gonna be, Nadine? What you gotta say? This is why Nathan didn't want to get involved with Chloe again. What do you mean? What's their relationship? Nobody's perfect. She's funny. Picture. Picture, picture. Take a picture. You want your share? We play by my rules. Ow. Which are usually always going wrong, by the way. Listen, as long as my girl is trying her best, that's all that matters. Oh, man. Whee! Was it? Patience. Patience. Are you telling me I should get on those signs? God damn it. All right, Miss Lara Croft. Ooh. Are you sure this is safe? Absolutely not. But we're gonna do it anyways. So. Isn't this where I was? Pink Lotus. Again, my ankles? Done for. My knees? Now I see why you're always late, bitch. Try my best, okay? Gosh. Golly. Loud as fuck. Use tall grass to stay hidden from enemies. No, I got it. You sure? Choke him. Thanks. Ah! Sorry. Didn't mean to fucking throw that shit around like that. Okay, let me grab this treasure first. My priorities. Treasure. What is that? I don't even know. Whee! Climb, climb, climb. Parkour, parkour. Damn, too short. At least it's realistic because I don't think I can actually climb that. Always improvising. Me in the tall grass, expecting to fight Pokemon instead getting choked out by one of the Drake brothers. Not being choked out. Oh. Exploring our options of death. You know? Just the usual. The usual thing girly pops do nowadays. Oh, Nadine? Where is she? Sorry, I meant to push this. I got it. I got it. Oh, sorry. That did not go as planned, girl. It's too funny. Okay. I didn't expect it to actually go through the fucking roof. Apologies. Oh my god, I thought she was about to die. Nothing. It was nothing. You know? Shit be falling. Should be falling anyway, so just don't worry about it. I swear I heard something. The floor is fucking falling apart. Treasure? Treasure. What is it? I don't know. But it looked cool, I guess. Yes. What's this? This is the DLC of the game, Jay. This is called what is it called? The Lost Thieves? The Lost Legacy? Right now we're with Nadine and Chloe. The Lost Legacy. There you go. Okay, this bitch is walking. Maybe I should be walking. But I know there's a man around here, so I don't feel safe walking. You know? See, there's a man up there, and I don't know what he's gonna do. I'll do something. Obviously, I know, girl. Jesus. I never feel safe when I see men walking around. Sam. Fall! What a killer. Love her. A reckless icon. That's who she is. Press B to hang. Wasn't it? Wasn't that kind of bad? I hear cars. I don't like the sound of that. Mm-mm. Climb! Climb! Parkour! Parkour! You don't feel safe around me? Absolutely not. What the fuck? How did you get here? Look, I can lockpick too. Let's find that damn bitch. If somebody heard that, if somebody heard that, I hope they get to you first. Hear cards? What do you mean? Turtle sound and here's life. Life is a highway. Thousands. Ooh. Hmm. How would it bother me? Yeah. No! Oh, the kitty. The big kitties. Speaking of. What do you mean, speaking of? I wonder where Chloe's from. Hmm. Ooh, treasure! I don't know what it is, but nice. I love this window. It ain't by the Rascal Flats. I don't want it. Ooh, what's this? Book! A book? Ooh. Look at her fucking knuckles. Can't I take it? Take it with you, Chloe. Take it with you. With you, with you, with you. Girl. That's what happens with you when you punch people, bestie. Wow. She's got a lot on here. Chloe Fraser. It's locked. I got it. Unlock, period. Nope. Got it. We good, we good. Jesus. I'm gonna light this place on fire. Who is that? What do you want from me? Oh, he knows Nadine. He don't know me though. Who's this man? Asaf. Oh. I wonder if this takes place before or after Libertalia. The adventure at Libertalia. How do you know? Chloe's like, let me introduce myself. A thief. How petty. I think Chloe and Nadine should kiss. Who said that? Okay. Oh. She's like, let me find it. Mm-hmm. Bessie, by the way, what? What is it? You telling me now, well into the game, you cannot hear the game? You guys, you cannot be silent about this. Granted, I assume you don't have the audio on. But you should be telling me this beforehand. But that is so strange. You should be able to hear it. I couldn't hear over the hairdryer. But you clearly saw them speaking, no? I'm kidding. I just got back. I know you did, bestie. Don't worry. I could see it. I wasn't looking at OBS. I blame me. Alright, I blame me. I assumed. I'm so stupid to assume that because I had the same application open and the same sound settings as before, that it would still work. But no. This bitch is picky.
Who exploits our struggle in order to fatten her pockets.
So that's a no. Felt like a no.
You've got balls. I like that.
Can't believe we've not been hearing.
But I don't need any more so-called experts. Shoot them. Throw their bodies in the
Exactly. And you've been
No
not
need.
been
We'll throw
hearing
ourselves
her.
After them!
Come on! We need to get across the river!
She fell because I wasn't ready. And what I said about Chloe's plans going bad. Thieves! 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 Where? Who? Not me.
It's this way!
Ow, my legs! My legs! My legs! My legs!
In here! Quick!
God damn.
What the hell was that back there?
Messy but effective.
You were going to sell me out, weren't you?
It's called improvisation. God, who's being unprofessional now?
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
It means you let Asav get the jump on us. I'm starting to wonder whether you're worth the 50%.
Oh,
I knew it. You were going to give me up. Guess a leopard can't change his spots.
You know nothing about me.
Fair warning. Last person who betrayed me wound up dead. There's your river.
okay.
Yeah? And your guy better be there.
Shit! Yeah, well, time to go! Come on! Right behind you!
So this is after the entire debacle with
Oh,
Ray.
this is dangerous! Fuck you! Thanks! Come on! You still have the distance.
You're selfish, my bitch. Yeah.
Watch out! Oh, for the love of God! You asshole! Last yours! Bloody!
Jesus. My God, my God. Jesus. Okay. Right, girly pop. Jump!
Whoa! Okay, I'm okay.
Go, bitch! Oh my god, so much is happening! I said maybe a few months after, right? That's what it feels like.
Don't stop! Keep moving! This is going great. Stop
The way
falling
she
away.
leaps.
Follow me! Trevor's just below.
Gracious.
Right down the line.
This is like Nate all over again. This is like Nate all over again.
Follow me! Trevor's just below.
What happened with Nate
Right
too?
down the line.
Oh, no, he died. It was too funny. The wreck duo! How close to death? Well, we've made it someplace. We survived, but
How are we going out there?
On schedule.
she's looking
Should
like
get
Lara
landed in about
Croft
an
right
hour.
now.
Great.
The tusk of Ganesh. No wonder the Hoysala capital was ransacked. Look at this thing. Any luck?
Don't need luck.
I'd say we can use all the luck we can
Please.
get.
Are you still hung up on Asav's so-called expert? Don't worry.
If Asav's not in the Gets already, he'll be right on our heels. Plus, he's got weapons, transport, hundreds of men.
Ooh. Also, we know you're into her, Akio, please.
Like I said, don't worry.
Looks like some kind of key.
Maybe. Let's see. Okay.
Not at the bars.
The trident
Please.
was Ganesh's weapon. The bow and arrow was Parashurama's. And the axe was a gift from Shiva.
Speak your truth, Akio. Speak your truth.
The great battle.
What?
The battle in which Ganesh lost his tusk. I bet we find these symbols. We find the tusk.
Probably.
Not bad, Fraser.
They're gonna kiss.
Yeah, well. You thank my dad for that. Hindu myths were his thing.
Need to rub
Okay,
off?
Miss Lara
must
Croft.
be
She's giving
proud.
too much Lara Croft right now.
Sun's almost up.
I'll go get ready. Nice work.
Interesting artifact. Ooh, pretty. Again, I do wonder where in India we are. If we're still in India, that is.
It's a long way to go to settle an argument.
Just for my peace of mind, all right?
Well, nice view.
Very pretty.
And look. How weird.
How weird. Oh, wow.
I'm sorry I doubted you, Chloe.
This Hoysala?
Hoysala. It's not a modern structure, so we're definitely on the right track.
Hoysala.
What?
I don't like it.
Why?
You don't like anything.
No. We've gone nearly 100 kilometers with no sign of Asav.
Glass half full, maybe we got the jump on them.
Unlikely.
I'll
Miss
find the tusk.
Chloe is giving
Massage
Sam
on
right
you.
now.
Understood.
What a
Need you back at the
pretty
car.
view.
Yep.
We got a car?
Ah, right where I left it.
Ah, pretty. What is this? Photo!
Amazing landscape.
Right? Please. Righty. Look at, I have a phone. Pretty. Look at all my pictures. Beautiful, beautiful pictures, yes. Time to head back to my car. Come on. I'm coming. Whee! Oh shit!
Go. Okay.
Right, Miss Nathan Drake. Okay, never mind, Miss Lara Croft. We're doing that thing. We're doing that thing that I fucking hate.
You still down there?
Yes.
Yep.
Still here.
Still
Just
alive.
checking.
Her nails are fucked. Think she got
Yeah,
nails?
Give me your hand.
Thanks,
I'm good,
babe.
actually. Okay.
Oh. I was trying to grab her hand, but
Want me to drive?
Nope.
I don't mind. I do. It's a control thing.
Sure.
it's a control thing. I'm crying.
Let's just enjoy the serenity, shall we?
Serenity.
Got a dumb question.
So much
What?
for that.
How do you know the tusk is still there?
It would have turned up in a museum or something by now, right? Plus, I haven't seen any Hoysala exhibition.
Vroom.
I've never even heard of Hoysala before this job.
Yeah, well, that's the fault of their last king, really.
Insufferable.
Reckless.
Who is?
Flaunted his
Chloe?
empire's wealth, built a new capital to house
I think it comes with the name.
and then led the Persians right to their doorstep.
If we think about this Chloe and then Life is Strange Chloe. Any other Chloe we've
Hey, look.
met?
Flamingo convention.
Ooh, the rainbow. Photo? No photo. Has to be something with the name. Again, I need to know where Chloe's from. Handbrake. Can this car swim? I don't want to risk it. Where are we supposed to go from here, though?
See your way forward?
Looking.
I really am looking. Rainbow. Oh, I see it. Let me not fucking crash this car. Rainbow. Oh, they're lesbians.
Refreshing. Could have warned me.
Oh, where's the fun in that? So, quite nice to be outdoors, isn't it? Away from the city.
They're flirting.
Quieter. You come back here often?
Oh.
No, not really.
Squeaky car sounds. Okay, okay. I think I might have to just go down that fucking. Chloe's from Australia. I see, I see. Did you Google this for me?
Oil ahead. Go down.
Oh, look at this. Hoysala ruins.
Can we get through that gate?
I'll check it out.
Yes, I did. Thank you, Misty. I was wondering why she looked familiar, and I know the actress that voices her entered her mocap. Really? She's an old
No
say.
capitals.
What have we got?
Halabadu and Balor.
I thought these were Ganesh and Shiva.
Someone's been paying attention. Ganesh was the guardian of Halabadu, the newer of the Hoysala capitals. Shiva was the guardian of the former capital below her.
Interesting.
Well, the stonework is beautiful. But this isn't much of a defensive wall.
Sculptor's quarters, by the look of it.
Sculptor's
We're still on the
quarters.
outskirts.
Didn't take you for an archaeologist.
She knows her
That
history.
would be my dad, actually. I'm
Again,
just a
Lara
thief.
Croft with the dad.
Hey, is the rental equipped with a winch?
Looks that way.
Great. That'll make short work of these gates.
What, you're just going to pull them down?
That's the plan, unless you brought dynamite.
This is your gig.
Take that as a no.
This is your gig. Wait, then where's Nadine from? I was assuming the UK, but like...
Right.
You never know.
That should do the trick.
Fraser, move! It's an ambush! Shit! Take cover!
Thanks for the heads up.
Come out! Come out!
Okay, we're clear.
Oh. Okay, cool. Let's see if you got any ammo. Ooh. Any ammo? Thanks. Appreciate it.
Right. Where were we? You were about to pull down an ancient gate.
Yeah, I
She's
was.
from South Africa. Oh, okay. So
Oh,
she
there we
do.
go.
What? We got a little ramp. Where to now? Where to now?
You're awfully quiet. I'm just surprised is all. Figured you'd be more of a leave no trace type when it comes to Indian ruins.
Sentimentality in this line of work? Get you killed.
Up the river. In the mountains. What is? A bridge? A bridge to... Whoa, bats.
They're just large flying rodents. Actually, no, they're not. Yeah, they are. They're closer to primates and lemurs.
Oh.
Okay, well, I'll look it up. There we go.
I'm crying. Okay, well, I'll look it up, I guess. Giant
Wait.
rodents. Doing this cushion.
Stop.
What? Should not be working.
Soft.
Her fucking bangs.
Well spotted.
Shit. He's brought a whole battalion with him.
Damn.
Might even be more inside already.
Hey, I'm flattered that he's taking us so seriously.
We need to get through that gate.
All right, we'll slow down. Gotta take care of these jokers first.
How?
Plan?
Yeah. Sure.
Not like, yeah, sure. Girl.
Here goes nothing.
Press LT. Oh, hold LT. Press L to mark enemies. Ah, yes. My favorite thing to do. What the hell are they? Where are these guys? I only see one of them. There should be more. Oh, there's one all the way over there. I have to get closer. Her arms! I'm crying. You're so down bad for Miss Nadine out here. There's not a man up there. Am I fucking crazy? I might just be insane. Insane in the membrane. Swear to God, there's a guy up there. Can I jump this man? Please, let me jump him. Insane in the membrane. Is she trying to jump somewhere? There's another man here that I not see. I have not marked. Seems. I can be normal about her, I swear. Ooh. Can you though, bestie? Can you though? There's that man. Get this man on the truck first. He won't even see it coming. Shh, just be quiet. Shh. What's this? Oh, picking the lock. Cause why not? That was a lie. You know I can't be normal about the cars I liked. I know, bestie. I know. Ooh. Insane in the membrane. There's a man over there. I'm talking to the man in the mirror. Come out here, brother. Shh. Quiet. Damn it. Got lucky. Oh, man! I try to be stealthy.
Check that area.
Damn it!
Damn! There's so many. The sniper really trying to get me out here. Who is shooting at me? Another man over here. Oh my god. Y'all need to chill. Where goodness. Got no more ammo.
We're clear.
Just like I planned.
Just like I planned. Girly Bob, don't lie to us. Insane in the membrane. Ooh. Ah, yes, the snipe. The sniper weapon.
Figure the mechanism is above the gate.
Probably. Maybe. I would not know, girl. I'm not even over there yet. Trying to look at my artillery. My options. Here, I'll take her.
I think I'll see a crank or something like above the gate.
There should be something somewhere. A lever or a switch? I don't know, girl. I don't know. Where is it? Where is it? I see. Oh, I didn't even realize I could fucking climb this. What this? Another weapon. Can I
This looks to be it.
push, pull? Oh my gosh, you got the car. That was quick. Thank you.
Sesame. Okay, bring her up.
Vroom vroom. I'm in my mom's car. Jesus. This seems dangerous. Do we not have anything to hang on? Anything? Anything at all? Nothing? Nada? Are we just gonna risk it? Sure.
Careful.
Always.
TNT goes off. Wow. Nadine style.
Right.
Back to shotgun. I'm perfectly capable of driving, you know.
I'm sure you are, honey. I just prefer to.
Oh! Check 'em on you. There's a fucking treasure. Casual treasure hunter. I got an achievement. Apparently I only had like 10 achievements out of 100. 110? Woo! Pretty! I'm like, goddamn. Will I ever fulfill those 100 achievements? Probably not.
Wow. It's a lot of ground to cover.
Chapter
True,
4,
but unlike
the
your boy
Western
Assad,
Goths.
we've got an advantage.
Nadine ducking
With
because you
symbols.
launched Chloe.
Let's
Did
have a
you
look
get
at the
that? Map? 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 Oh, no, map.
Okay, let's see. We are right about here.
Okay, okay.
I can mark it up as we go.
Okay. Trying to get there. There's a lot of water. Bodies of water.
Check
I
out
need to
that
get
tower.
there.
Bet you could get the lay of the land from up top.
Maybe.
Ouch. Whee! Cowabunga, let's go. Sorry. The girls are
Okay,
making
I'll
cheese
keep an eye out for the
noises.
top.
Perfect. Not that I'm too worried about him, though.
You should be. We won't have the advantage of surprise again. Don't think he was expecting much from you.
Wait, was that a compliment? That sounded like a compliment.
Oh my god, they're flirting.
His guys are idiots, but Assault is... We just need to stay the hell away from him.
I don't think I see any of his cars around.
Never understood the appeal of people like Asav.
Easy. He finds men who are weak and offers them power. Gives them purpose.
Purpose. Sounds more like bullshit to me.
Where are you going?
Want to climb it with me?
I really want to, but someone should keep watch for Asav's forces.
Good call.
Amazed this thing is still standing.
Don't jinx it, please.
Please. Wanna climb it with me? Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Just like, I'm good, thanks. The hell do I climb this thing? Where do I climb? I climb on it. Oh, I see it. I see something. There you go. Go attach it. Why can't I attach it? Why did it do that? Why can I throw the fucking the bomb up there, but I can't fucking climb?
Up and away.
Attach. Boom. Like, make it make sense. Make it make sense. I'm trying to be Lara Croft out here. Lara freaking Croft. But no. The game said you don't have the upper body strength to do that. I want to. Let me. Let me do it. If only she'd give me a boost or something. Something. Anything. Ooh. I did not read this
Don't
directions.
recognize this. It's not one of the 3 symbols.
A map.
Still, could be a chance to make some extra cash.
Thought it was a journal for a second. I was like, oh my god,
All right,
a
let's see
journal.
what you do.
Oh! Fountains!
What's that noise?
I think we have a timer. What does this do?
Shut off.
Oh, I thought it shut up all of them. Huh. Jump! God, how many seconds do I have?
Okay, guess this is a thing.
Guess this is a thing. Yeah, it's a puzzle. A puzzle.
Another?
Am I doing it right? I don't know. Let's go!
Here for your amusement.
Up you go. Damn! Guess I wasn't fast enough.
Damn it. I had one more. Okay. Do it again, do it again. How do I, let me just fucking... Come on, bitch, come on. It'd be easier to Spider-Man my way through.
Another?
She's like, Yuma, you're throwing my back fucking out right now. This is not fun. Me, I wanna get fun. What? I'm breaking her back, bro. That's what I'm doing. Trying to be Spider-Man out here.
Still hear that sound. Is there another fountain? Ah, back to where I started now.
Damn it! Shit. Do it all over again. Aki's trying to bring her back down. Please. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Oh shit. Run, girl, run. Run, Forrest, run. Finally, I got it this time. No time for stomping, no time for thinking. Just keep going, just keep going. Did I play Spider-Man? Was I trained for this? No, I was not. I did it! Oh, what'd that give me?
Interesting.
What'd I get?
Some kind of Hoysala token. It's not one of our 3 symbols. Might be worth trading once we get back home.
Token for granted. The whole jungle floods. Please. God damn it. I was so short. Me just traveling, looking around, having a good time. Nadine's like, can we fucking go? The clock is ticking, ma'am. Assad might just be right around the corner. Me, I'm looking at the pretty little architectures. Shut up! Miss Chloe sounds like she's not having a good time. Too bad! Ouch. Look at her dirty ass jeans. Her dirt covered jeans. Girlie, how do we get up there? Like, I really want to get up there. But how? Like, there must be a way. I'm gonna put this at the right fucking angle. Don't mind me, Nadine. I am trying to get fucking... some type of way up here. Hello? Did I break in here? Let me in! Let me in! Break in! Let me in! I'm in the walls! She's in the walls! I'm in here, you guys. I did it! I did it! You gotta restart. No! Let me out! Let me out! God damn it. There's gotta be a way out. I know there is. Nadine's looking out here like, bitch, where the fuck did she go? Hey Nadine, I can see you through the invisible wall. Help! I'm stuck. Save me! Save me! Nadine's just so cool. Let me fucking disappear. She doesn't even care. At least I can still use my weapon. Okay, let me save. Save game! Save. Yes. I've saved! God damn it. I have to go back to the main menu. I'm like, there must be a way that I can break the game. Enough to let me out. Let's just look at my cell phone. Look at the abyss that is the ground right now. Let me out. I didn't think she'd phase into the wall, I'll be honest. There has to be a way out. I don't think it'll soft lock me. Okay, let's load the game. I'm back out. She threw me out. She threw me out. Nadine? Oh, there she is. What the fuck? I never put you down there, but okay. Again, how the hell do I get up there? Like, I don't even see a branch that could possibly launch me up there either. But there has to be a way. I'm gonna keep looking. I'm determined to get into this fucking tower. Chloe said we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We are going to do it. Ooh. Damn it. This is where it ends. Got nothing else. Can't tell me nada. Nada. Then. Like there has to be a way. It's just too weird to not have a way to get up there. Look at her. Hello? Let me in! Curses. This is it. This is it. What? Oh my god. Just when I was giving up, the game was like, here, we'll let you fucking slay. I hate you, game. I hate you for doing this. Like, y'all saw me trying to get up there. Right? Like, it wasn't just fucking me. I was fucking around. And the game's like, we don't want to give it to her. Then they saw me get stuck. They're like, fine.
Easy does it.
So far, so good.
No, Nadine. That's why Nadine pushed you into the wall. She was like, she can't see this one climb spot when he tried multiple times. Literally. Nadine was like, you know what? Let's give her that final push. And just push her in into the building. Let's go. Thanks, Nadine. A real fucking queen. A real supporter of my dreams. Jesus, girly pop. This is dangerous. She was like, she can't see this one climb spot. That's a lie. I did see it. Oh my god. This is so dangerous. Ouch. Fucking fuck my hip, I guess. Jesus. Will I make it? Will I make it to the top? Jesus. Chloe, you're gonna fucking die out here. Ooh.
Uh-huh.
Can I put the thing in here? Ooh.
Let's see here. Huh. Wonder what that could be. For future reference.
Checking all the angles.
Ganesh's trident. And behind door number 2.
Girl,
Aimed
let's go
right
up the
at those
Glover
Hoysala
Croft way.
ruins. It's an old fortress.
Oh.
Just beyond those waterfalls. Trident mark on the map for you.
Listen, she is fucking Lara Croft. Do you see the fit that she's wearing? Do you see the way her hair is tied up? Like...
Let's see what's behind the bow door.
This
Another
DLC
old
is
fortress,
definitely huge.
Sitting smack dab in the middle of the lake bed. I'll jot a bow on the map in that spot.
Whole new fucking game, honestly. Can I open this one? Can I open this one? Can I open this one?
Last but not least, the axe door. And another old fortress.
Look at those trees.
Tucked into the mountainside. I'll just mark
Ooh.
that on the map with an axe.
Gorgeous. Okay, we're going down that way. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Hello? Ooh. Chugmanyo. Chakamanyo. Chotomateo. I just want to look at everything. Looks so pretty. Don't fall, ma'am. My fucking heart. I accidentally pressed B. I meant to press A. The small mistakes I make that make it so funny. That was a joke. I think you manifested it, bestie. Is this a damn game to you? I'm crying. Oh.
Guess I should have looked for a call button before climbing up.
Oh, it's so funny. Oh my god. Look at it, it's the place that I fucking... Is this the actual door? Yes, this is the actual door that I phased into. Hey, Queen! I got my fucking map.
Well, was it worth the climb?
And then some. Found the 3 symbols.
Really?
Yep. Each one was pointing towards a different fortress. Those will be the best places to look.
Perfect.
Let me look at my map. Okay, we're here. Let's go to the farthest fortress first.
How'd you get tangled up with the Sav anyway? Purpose? Rather not go into it.
Ouch.
You certainly seem to have a thing for you. Don't remind me. Proved useful at the time, but... Yeah. Do tell. Rather not.
Jesus,
Maybe over drinks.
fucking rocky
Not enough
around
alcohol in the world.
In the world. Not enough alcohol in the world. The way she said that. Very Australian of her. Not enough alcohol in the world. Damn, how is it already almost 3 hours? Because we've only just started our large adventure with these lesbians.
Right, you're the military expert. What's the Saab's strategy here? He spread out his men, hoping to stop us in our tracks. Not what I would do.
No.
So what would you do if you were a Saab? Besides lose the beard? Hang back? Let you do the heavy lifting, then swoop in and grab up the tusk once you've done all the hard work. Devious?
Oh.
Incredible.
You got that right. Want a closer look?
Sure.
Not what I would do. No, not what I would do. It's the way they speak. Their accents. Very slightly different, each of them.
Magnificent.
Not enough alcohol in the world.
How long do you suppose it takes to carve something like this?
Years.
Not what I would do.
Decades, even. The Hoysala certainly did have a knack for stonework.
Honestly, it's
And
kind of
war, it
beautiful.
seems.
Not the war.
That too.
Her lashes. Oh my god, her
They must have
lashes.
Made these to commemorate their victories against the Persians.
Looks like they put up a good fight.
They did. Pity it didn't last.
Somebody move her bangs, please.
Their loss is our gain, right?
That carving looks familiar.
Yes, it's the same symbols on our disc.
Ooh.
Must mean we're close, right?
It's gotta mean something. Hopefully finding these symbols will give us some answers.
Yeah.
Updated the map. Cool. I wanted to see this thing first anyways. I was like, ooh, it looks so pretty. It's gorgeous. She's gorgeous to me. Ah! My knees. Oh, my ankles. It's okay, no problem.
Alrighty, let's roll.
Vroom, vroom. Maniac driver on the loose. Did I just honk the horn? Okay. Right. Bridge. And then do the left. Sorry, I want to honk the horn. How do I honk the horn?
All right. And we were talking about... Oh, right. Devious. Practical. Mitigates a lot of risks. Lucky you're on my team. Yeah, you are. I'm a little surprised Assault's not doing the same thing. Maybe his expert knows more than we think. Right.
Perhaps, perhaps.
All the more reason to wrap this up quickly then.
Sorry. The screen. The fucking screen. The minute it freezes, I freaked out. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna hit something. I can't see. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Daijoubu. It's okay. I'm making my way across the ancient ruins. Trying to not get shot. Excuse me, excuse me. Riding through the waves without hydroplaning. How the fuck do I get to the other side? That's a silencer. Pew 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 pew. That's the grenade launcher. Huh? Why does it keep doing that? I'm driving way too mighty fast. What's this? Ride around the block with my Glock. Yo ass finna get shot.
Give me a second. I can wait.
Damn, she really leaped over her like that. That's a silencer.
Ah, another one.
That's a grenade launcher. Finna drill you. What is that? What is that? Actually, what is that? I don't know. Can I throw my thing at it? Can I throw this thing at it? Can I do something? No, don't do that. And now you're bleeding. The plague cat. The plague cat. When I shoot you in your eye.
To move this.
Oh. The noise goes blick, You know I will shoot you in your eye just so I can hear the play. Play. What is this? Who are you? Who are you? Ooh, what's that? I don't know, but let's do this thing first. I need the car.
Time to go.
Not time to go. Time to grab this thing.
I'll be right back. You got it?
What? 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 Okay, grab it. What? Why's it doing this to me? Why must you do this to me?
Oh, this thing is stuck tight.
Must be a way to get more leverage.
If you jump down, you could get more leverage. But I don't know if you're gonna jump
Maybe
down,
try
babes.
using yourself as a counterweight.
Look at the brains on you.
Oh no.
You're really smart.
There! Hooray for physics!
Hooray for physics! All right, babes. Pray for me. Ooh. I'm already 3 whores in.
Great.
My God.
Hey, protocol. You clear the site, then take a position until a sub arrives. We better hurry. It's hot, and we're losing stage. I am certain your comfort is his highest priority.
Nadine! Nadine, did you move the fucking car? She did. What the fuck? There they are. Shit. God damn it.
Cannot hide. I see that 4x4. Come on.
He sees the car.
Safety's off. Where are you, asshole?
Sorry, not sorry. It's the imagine you fall down, meanwhile I purposely fell. Oh, there she is. I'm like, who the fuck's behind me right now? Who's behind me? Scary.
Oh, no left eye.
I have nothing.
What the?
Okay. Man down here. We are not alone.
Shit.
I want them found. Now.
Fuck. We lost him.
Come out.
Oh shit. Man down, man down. What if he was just tripped and knocked himself out? They can't see me, can we?
Do you have any? I had no luck. I have nothing.
I have
Search
nothing.
there. I'll check here. Got it.
Come here. Just come here. Oh, nice job, Nadine. You just have that one man.
Shit! Another one down. They must be close.
Oh, there's 2 of them. Anybody else? Anybody else? Nada. Nobody. Nobody. I just want to knock these guys out before I fucking end stream. Save and end stream. Don't be a bitch and come the fuck over here. How the fuck do I... Ben! Why is he so far away? Oh my god. God damn.
Okay, all clear. So, find anything down there? Found another token. Has it got anything to do with the tusk?
I don't know, but hopefully.
So. Well, no harm, so long as we hit all the forts you marked in the tower.
It's true! Oh my god, okay. Let me save. Save. Nice. Alright. Oh, let me exit the game. And let's go find someone to raid! Fun stream, bestie. Thanks, bestie. Even though you missed the ending drama. I say ending drama, but literally I was just suffering. I was just suffering. Suffering for a hot fucking minute. Because fighting Rafe was not the best moment. If I'ma be honest. Fighting Rafe, fucking that bitch really said adios amigo at me? That was so rude. That was so rude. I was so EP sleepy I got woke now. I don't know how you could sleep so late, bestie. But so late. I mean, later than me. Granted, I set up alarms when I have streams earlier than 6 o'clock p.m. Oh my god, let's go read Pocket. Love of my life, Pocket. Just playing Genshin. Genshin Impact. I've not played that game in a hot fucking year. Oh, you took your nap. Oh, you took a nap. Okay, that's better. It's better than actually like sleeping. Having my sleep schedule. Have a good night, you too, besties. Have a good night. Thanks for being here. I hope you enjoy watching the ending of Uncharted. And me fucking dying multiple times. But also, let's not forget our raid message. If you're not a sub, if you are a sub, that's your raid message. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. If you want to follow me on Twitter, and join the Discord, where we have movie nights every night. I'm still thinking about, you know, actually doing a movie instead of just watching Degrassi. But at the same time, I'll think about it. I haven't seen someone play Genshin in ages. I know! It's a sponsored stream, I'm pretty sure. It's a sponsored stream. I think. We'll see. Pocky will probably tell us. But anyways, I'll see you guys on Saturday, where I play Yakuza. Hopefully my controller doesn't fucking disconnect, because I really think it's the game. It's not my controller. My controller works fine. Period. But I'm excited because I've been wanting to play it. It's just that controller fucking issue that really bothers me. But I guess I can live with it like I live with playing Bully and that shit crashing every fucking hour. But yeah, besties. Have a good rest of your Wednesday. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Alright, have a good night. Me too, Jay. Bye-bye. Don't forget the raid message.